Hi, this is John, and in this clip we will be removing the storm door. The first step of our project is to remove the old storm door so that we can start to gain access to our entry door for the purpose of removing that. The first thing that we need to do is remove all of the hardware. Next, we're going to move all of the screws in our trim pieces on the side opposite of our hinge. And then we can remove our trim piece. And we'll continue that same procedure on the top. Next, we're going to remove the screws on the inside of the hinge and on the outside of the door. And then we can remove the door.